In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable advertisements on DuckDuckGo.com. By the end, you'll have personalized ads turned off on DuckDuckGo, and you can optionally enable strict privacy protection so your searches are not used to personalize ads. First, go to DuckDuckGo.com, type the address into your browser's address bar and press Enter. Wait for the DuckDuckGo homepage to load. Next, click the menu in the top right corner. It's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. You should see a small panel open with several options. Select Settings from this menu. Click it once, and the Settings page will open. Now, click Privacy. This takes you to the privacy-related controls where DuckDuckGo manages ad and tracking preferences. From here, scroll to Ads and Tracking. If the page is long, use your mouse wheel or trackpad to move down until you see the Ads and Tracking section. This is where you can control how ads are handled. Turn personalized ads off. Look for the switch or toggle labeled Personalized Ads. If it's on, click it once to switch it off. This prevents ads from being tailored based on your searches or browsing signals. Your results will still appear as normal, but ads will no longer be personalized to you. If you change your mind later, you can come back to this same spot and turn it back on just as easily. Optionally, enable strict privacy protection. In the same privacy area, find the control for privacy protection and set it to strict. Click to enable it. Strict privacy protection applies stronger blocking against trackers and tightens how sites can follow your activity. Also, if anything looks unfamiliar or you're unsure, don't worry. This setting is reversible. You can return here at any time and turn it back down if a site you use needs looser settings. For most users, Strict offers better privacy with minimal disruption. Once that's done, refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button in your browser or pressing Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. The refresh makes sure the new ad and privacy settings are applied to your current session. At this point, your personalized ads are disabled on DuckDuckGo.com, and if you chose to, strict privacy protection is active. Your search experience should feel the same, but ads will no longer be customized based on your activity. If you ever want to review or change these settings, you can retrace these steps. Open the menu, go to Settings, open Privacy, and adjust ads and tracking or privacy protection as needed. If you don't immediately see the change you expected after refreshing, double-check that the Personalized Ads toggle is switched off in Ads and Tracking, and confirm that strict privacy protection is enabled if you opted to use it. The settings save instantly when you click the toggles, so there's no separate save button to press. Before you close the page, take a moment to scroll once more through the privacy section to confirm your selections are still in place. The toggles should remain exactly as you set them. This quick visual check helps avoid confusion later and ensures the configuration is consistent across your browsing session. That's it. Personalized advertisements on DuckDuckGo.com are now turned off, and your stricter privacy setting is applied if you enabled it. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.